What is the purpose of a home inspection? To assess the condition of a property. What does the term appraisal mean in real estate? An estimate of a property's market value. What is the main purpose of homeowners insurance? To provide coverage for damage to the physical structure of a property. What is a deed? A legal document transferring ownership of real estate. What is the purpose of a contingency in a real estate contract? To allow the buyer to cancel the contract under certain conditions. What does the term foreclosure mean in real estate? The sale of a property due to default on mortgage payments.